Good evening everyone, this is by-DEGALA-BALAJI. Welcome back to my channel DB Stocks. Let us discuss what is going to be happening in tomorrow's market about the Sensex. Firstly, let us start with the pre-analysis and then next we can discuss about the today's entry in the Sensex. I have mentioned this 74,000 round level as the first support. Why? Because this is what I have mentioned yesterday, as this is the round level and also the Fibonacci level and also the order block. This is the very rare case that will happens in the market sometimes. See, this is the order block, and I have also mentioned after reaching this stage, if market waited at this position, means I will go for the entry based on the momentum in the lower time frames. And as I have predicted, market reversed from this direction and went upside and reaches the top. And also I have mentioned other point is, if market comes below this level, means we can expect the market will close within this range also. There is a probability, and also I have expected the target towards upside. This is the target, and also 75,000, but it didn't happen. And after reaching this range, after reaching the high, market became volatile and it closes within this range. Now let me show you the today's entry, how I used to take the entry in the market. As this is the question asked by the Ram for explanation about the entries in the market. Maybe I think it will be helpful for you taking the entries. See, firstly, this is the level, 50% level, Fibonacci level, from here to top. This is the Fibonacci level I have mentioned, and also I have marked the order block also. And after that I switch to 1 minute time frame. This is the today's market opening. Market opens almost near to this range, in between this range. After opening itself, it becomes volatile. It's a spinning top. Within the next candle itself, market closes at the top. It's a good indication that market is going to be the bullish momentum. If this low is given breakdown, see, after the formation of the spinning top, what we can understand, the buyers and sellers are equally participated in the first 1 minute candle, and the next candle gives the breakout towards upside. This indication gives you that means if it gives the breakout towards upside, means we can have the confidence of buyers are strong. If it gives the downside momentum, means there will be some selling momentum towards the downside. This is what we used to have the confirmation after the breakout and breakdown of the spinning top. After what happened after that, market slow. See, and also I have told you previously about after the candle breakout or level breakout, don't need to go for entry immediately. If you have entered immediately, means after that again it will come. See here, it again market came to retest this level. See, exactly, it almost retest this level. Okay, I told you that after retesting these levels, if you have entered confidently, means it will gives you the result better than the entering aggressively. If you have entered aggressively, it may gives you the result or it may not gives you. See here it gives you the result. It gives the result. But what happens, sometimes it will closes again below this level immediately. So I don't want to go aggressively. Then if you have entered within the retest and calculatedly, when also systematically, if you follow the systematic rules and regulation, means you will have the profits regularly and also the consistency. Now let me come to this entry. See here, after this market gives the breakout, this is a very good combination. That means it's a very good momentum towards upside. And also see, after that there is a small gap between this candle, first candle and third candle. This candle is the confirmation candle. See here, this candle came downside and immediately within the 1 minute itself it closes at the top. It's a very good momentum. That means it's a very good confirmation, not momentum, it's a good confirmation that markets is going to be bullish towards upside, and we can keep the stop loss of this. If this low is given breakdown, means we can we don't need to have the aggressive buying momentum or good momentum. We don't need to expect good momentum towards upside. And after that, within this candle also, you don't need to take any entry. See, after that market gives the momentum, and see here the 1 minute candle, market forms the order block. Market created the order block, created forms or whatever it may be. market forms the order block. This is the order block. See here, candle closes between this range and market, that means sharp upside momentum and then gap between the first candle and also the third candle. So this is the fair value gap. Already I have mentioned about the order block now in the previous video. That means I have did one video about the order block. If you have not seen, just go and watch the order block video. First candle, the gap between the first candle and also the third candle. That means this is the first candle and this is the third candle. The second candle has to be big candle. After this, between this gap can be seen as the order block. See here, order block forms here, and this market came to this for taking the order block towards the downside. And also you can see here, this week has some stop losses. Why? Because some people may enter at this point. Why? Because there is some gap here, small gap. I don't want to say this as a fair value gap. It's a small gap here. Again, some orders will execute it at this point and they will keep the stop loss also. And also this is the stop loss point, and also all these have some stop losses. Okay, all these have some stop losses. People will keep the stop losses. Market came near downside to have all the stop losses, and the market will eat all the stop losses and the market will move upside. This is what the structure is going in the market itself. Not only in this market, every market wherever the orders are high, wherever the stop losses are, market will comes to that range, that area, and again market will reverse. See here, this is the order block. Market came here. From here we can expect this is the proper entry. From here we can expect the momentum till the gap filling area. That means what is the gap filling area? This is the gap filling area. Why? Because from here market came downside. This would be the target. This is the proper entry. If you have entered here, you can exit somewhere around this, or it would be the day's high. We can expect the target, first target. It's up to your satisfaction. This is what happened in today's market. And let me discuss about the tomorrow's analysis. See here, market is also presently about this 50% range to this range, 50% to this level. So after that, if market opens gap up or slightly flat or gap up opening, means after the breakout itself, immediately, as I have predicted the target yesterday, 75,000 round level is the first target. Sorry, the closing candle is the first target, and also 75,000 is the second target. Round level will be the second target I expected. And after the breakout of this range, I have mentioned this as a W pattern. After the breakout of this range, 74,900, 75,000 round level, we can expect the target as this is the 75,600. This swing will be the next target I am expecting towards upside. If it is the bullish momentum, if market open gap down opening, means after that till the breakdown of this range is 74,000 round level. Again today market open gap down opening and market gives the sharp momentum towards upside. That means the buyers are strong. The people who entered here, they will keep the stop losses at this point. So till the breakdown of this range, we don't need to expect any selling momentum in the market. Until and unless the breakdown, we don't need to expect. If it opens flat or gap up opening, means it should be the buying momentum after the breakout of this range. Thank you, and this is my view.